Hello friends, it's me, Radhia. Welcome to another vlog. Thought I'd do an intro because it's 2023, so I'm wishing you guys a happy new year. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Radhia. I'm a Bengali American illustrator here in New York City. I sell my work online and run a small business while sharing parts of my studio practice here on this channel. This is my cat Kuni. He's my muse and also my studio assistant. This video is pretty condensed. I did quite a lot in December. I had my final shop update of 2022. I got to see my friends, and I also spent a week in Connecticut where my partner's family lives, so it was a pretty relaxing end to the year. I hope your holiday season gave you the chance to rest and spend time with loved ones. I have a few more things I would like to share, but I think I'll save it for the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog. Hello my friends, today is Monday, December 5th. Over the weekend, I put up our pink Christmas tree and some festive decorations around the apartment with my brother. I also took down some of the Halloween decor. But more importantly, I launched my final shop update of the year, which is the holiday shop update. So today I will be packing some orders. I don't know if I'm going to film much of it because I get performance anxiety, and also my priority is to pack as much as I can and ship it out before the USPS holiday deadlines. I also tried to time all of my shop updates this year as efficiently as I can so that they arrive, you know, before Halloween or before Christmas. And so I've noticed that this particular shop update has been my slowest thus far. I feel as though it's because I did not post a reel about it on Instagram. I did for my past two shop updates, which helped gain, you know, extra traction, people that have not seen my work before, and it really sucks that so many artists are having to like beckon to this like hellscape of making reels. And I don't know what it is about making a 10 to 20 second reel, but it takes up way more mental energy than it does for me to edit a 30+ minute vlog. I don't know what it is, but it feels like vlogs are just way more intimate. Reels or TikToks, I watch them, I laugh, I save them, and then I forget about them like the next month, you know? But unfortunately, apparently, if you want your work to be seen, it's like if you don't make a reel about it, if you don't make a TikTok about it, you're just going to disappear off the face of the earth. Which isn't the case today, but it did make me question if I did something wrong. As someone who runs a small business, as someone who does freelance work, I have to pay attention to when I'm making sales or certain patterns in my work, and maybe making reels is what I will have to do in order for people to see my work and for my social media to gain traction. But I will say it really sucks. I feel like Megan's talked about this, and so many other artists that I know have talked about this. It's just soul-sucking. My priority as an artist is for my artwork to grow, and hopefully alongside that everything else, but at the moment it's just like so overwhelming. I did end up making the like average amount of orders that I have seen in the past like 2 years that I've been doing this. So as much as I did panic, I felt a little bit better later on. This is in no way to undermine the fact that I am always grateful for like any amount of orders that I get, but I do get scared when it's like things kind of get like really slow during a time when the pace should be a little bit faster. So if you did order anything from the shop, I am eternally grateful. And also if you're watching this vlog, thanks for continuing to watch long form content, because who knows how long that will continue to last. But right now I'm gonna get to packing the rest of these orders. But before I do that, I wanted to share this beautiful risograph calendar that I got from Megan, aka Studio Maggie, and it is beautiful. This is going to be my designated calendar for the next year. Will I make a calendar for 2023? I don't know yet. I also got these new pink, very on-brand gachapon pods for my gachapon machine that I used when I was tabling this year, because the ones that I used previously I think were either too small or too spherical, so they kept getting jammed inside the machine. I can't tell if it was the pods or if it was people like cranking the machine in the wrong direction or too fast, but either way, it caused a dilemma, and it definitely slowed down how quickly I was able to interact with people and also just like troubleshooting the machine. And it was also a pretty expensive machine, so I don't want it to break down, but I ordered more of these pods and I'm hoping this works well with the machine. And this time I'm definitely gonna ask people to return the capsule, because I'm assuming a lot of people are not gonna end up recycling it and it's just gonna end up as trash, and I would ideally love to reuse these, keep them out of landfills for as long as I am alive. This is the latest edition. Oh, speaking of in-person markets, I also filled out my application to table at Mocha Festival 2023, and so that was my little chat for now. I'm gonna start packing these orders because it is now 2 p.m. and I have tried to film this chat, I swear, like more than 10 times. So thank you, and I will see you later. These orders I packed, I think 100 or so. I have another 150 left for now. There's literally another bag this same size in the other room that I have to bring down, and luckily my parents are driving by with the car, so I won't have to walk to the post office. It is drizzling outside and I am hoping none of these orders get wet in transit, so thank you everyone. Good morning, it's December 12th, I think. It's Monday. A week has passed since I updated my shop, a little bit over a week. I closed my shop last night, and then I'm gonna transition my shop from physical orders to like digital orders, but I finished packing orders like last Friday, you know, at the moment, and I got 60 orders over the weekend, so I still have 60 more orders to pack and ship out. But today I'm taking the day off because I'm going to go see my good friend Megan. She's back in New York City visiting. I'm literally late, so I'm going to go now, and I'm gonna also meet Spicy. Goonie! We're gonna meet Spicy. I'm gonna meet Spicy. Okay, goodbye. Her face is like so like condensed.
Yeah.
Her ears are very tiny and round.
How you feel about this? Dude, you like your new shoes?
Yes.
It's a video.
This is cute.
Of course, the radiator is hissing the moment that I decide to start recording. I just finished packing the last order of the year, and they're all over there. I will be dropping them off tomorrow morning because the post office is closed right now, but I had a bit of a wardrobe change because I'm about to go to group therapy in person. It is cold outside, but I'm doing this for my mental health, so thank you if you placed an order, because y'all fund my therapy sessions so I can get my life in order. Thanks. Hello. A little bit of a life update. I'm doing a lot better now. It's been a few days. I rested. My skin and hair is doing amazing. Guess I should rest more often, but I also got some art mail. My artist friend, I ordered their Daft Punk zine. This is by Olivia Fields. Look at this. Little sneak peek preview. Really cool. Business card with the info. And I also got this really cool holographic sticker. And Olivia wrote me a note. Other than that, some life updates. Again, this is the second time I've had the big sick. I don't know what it is, but it feels like I'm like the 10% of the population here in New York City that still, you know, wears a mask in crowded public spaces that are like pretty confined, like the subway. So I don't know. I feel a lot better now, but I think that left me with a bit of brain fog because I forgot to schedule my premiere today, which should have been in the afternoon. So I had to like last minute schedule my vlog premieres, but so many people showed up and I felt a whole lot better because I wasn't expecting anyone to just like show up within 15 minutes of me announcing a vlog premiere, but that was really nice. I also made a stinky little reel to go with it because it seems like that's the only thing that projects my work out into the internet. I'm also going to Connecticut for like the Christmas holiday, so this week I'm wrapping up a bunch of my Patreon work and also just like customer service stuff when it comes to any orders that got returned or if I like missed anything in an order. This year I did a lot better with my time management and resting and being able to take breaks, and that feels amazing because I feel like I have a good step going into 2023. I will film a bit of my travels and it'll be nice. It'll be a little vacation. I asked my next door neighbor to take care of Kuni. I like literally made like Kuni care instructions. I'm definitely gonna miss this little guy. That's the life update and I'll see you later. And I am all ready to go. It is like 11 degrees outside today and it feels like -6 apparently. It is cold. I'm gonna leave right now. I don't want to leave my little Kuni boy. I'm sorry. What'd you get?
We're in the north end of Hartford, Connecticut. Your finest. Scott, you see the green, you see the yellow. We about to dig in. Oh, interesting.
Isn't it cool?
Mm-hmm.
$20.
I
Yeah.
already smelled coffee and
There's a plate.
Ooh!
How's it? Thank you.
Isn't that cute?
Yes!
Yeah, this is perfect. This is
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh,
I got back from Connecticut and had to do groceries, but also made a, ooh! Got these cookies for my parents because my dad's birthday is coming up soon. And then, lo and behold, I find Hello Kitty toilet paper, like, what? And I also found kimchi that happens to be fish-free, so it's vegan-friendly, and some bibimbap vegetables, so I'm gonna make myself a little bit of lunch. Hello again, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Please give this video a like. I feel like there are a lot of things that I got done in 2022 that weren't even on my radar. I did a few in-person art markets, I hosted my first workshop, and I started selling my artwork wholesale. So I am excited to see what the universe has aligned for me this year. I just really want to prioritize making art, especially in different formats. I feel like this isn't emphasized enough how much time is actually spent marketing and managing the artwork, which takes almost just as much time as the actual art making process itself. This year I want to prioritize making new things, trying new mediums, and making art even if it's not perfect. Something I finally wanted to announce is that I have a physical rewards tier on my Patreon. It is the new Sticker Club tier. This was previously my Mighty Mushroom tier, but I did a bit of revamping so that I could finally offer some mailed rewards. Essentially, every month I will be designing a Patreon exclusive sticker, and if you join the Sticker Club during that designated month, you'll receive a really cute sticker, or maybe even a sticker sheet. This is the one that I designed for January 2023. Not only is this tier open to folks within the US, but also internationally. Your pledge also covers the cost of me mailing your sticker in a cheeky little stamped envelope. So if you're interested or have the financial ability to do so, consider supporting my work on Patreon. It's a great way to support your favorite artists. Brought me a gift? Oh, thank you. I always appreciate the support I get here on this channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I have a bunch of other studio vlogs that will definitely keep you occupied. And in the comments, let me know something you are looking forward to. Thanks again for watching, Happy New Year, and we'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!